Tori. So today is a bit of a different video. I am doing an unboxing of the JEFFREE Star mystery boxes.
Yep.
I think this is the I don't know what this one's called.
The small one.
The small one. She got it for me for Christmas. So this is my best friend Callie. You've seen her once or twice before. But we're going to film my box on my video and her box on her video. So it's like a collab type of thing. I'm going to put her channel down below. She's just starting out, so make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe. And do that to me too, because, you know, trying to reach 600 subscribers.
Gotta help us this out.
Exactly. So, I'm scared, but excited at the same time. So, let's pop into this little thing. The box is so cute though.
I know, I'm
gonna keep it.
Yes!
I'm not giving it away, that's for sure.
Not that anyway.
So, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna like open it up close for you guys, and then like, I'm scared. We've been literally waiting, like, okay, so we ordered these literally like 20 minutes after they launched.
I was gonna get the big one, but they were sold out. Not the big one, the middle one.
She wanted the apparel so bad. And I watched some videos on it, and I thought it was, there's two things. I thought it was really sketchy that there's no palettes in any of them when they specifically said you can get palettes. So I thought that was kind of sketchy on JEFFREE's part. And then this, also, I've heard from multiple people that this is just a way of him getting rid of products that aren't selling well, which is also kind of sketchy. Like, why wouldn't you put, like, good, like, obviously they're gonna be good, but I've never tried anything from him, so maybe
I wish he would have.
But, like, two popular items, and the rest can be things that, like, aren't selling well.
Yeah. Like, I wish he would have put at least, like, one product of his new Alien collection.
That would have been really cool.
Each of them.
Or even, oh, that was his holiday collection. I don't know, I really like the Valentine's Day collection. Like, the one with the blood sugar. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I want that palette so bad. I'm gonna get it one day.
Too. I want the Alien one. I know you don't like it, but I like it. And I really want the blood sugar and the Alien one.
I think the Alien packaging is cool.
I just like everything that he makes.
Okay, we're gonna talk too long because we don't open it.
Yeah.
So, oh god, I'm already reading the box.
2 minutes later.
Okay, this is what it looks like. It's so little and cute. Okay, I'm scared.
She goes, it's so little and cute, and I think it's like, so little. Like,
I wish it was a little bit bigger. But this is what the inside looks like, and like, okay, there's a bunch of like paper. Okay, so I think there's supposed to be 6 items. So.
Oh, whoa, that's different.
This is what the inside looks like. It looks like there's a lot of lip products.
And it looks like there's like one highlighter in there or something.
Yeah.
Underneath it, maybe.
But this was $30 and it had like $110 value or something like that. Because it was like, it said you're saving $80, so 80 plus 30 would be 110. So, we're gonna see. Was shipping free?
That's dope.
Because it was
on
Black Friday.
Night, yeah, because there was only $60 taken out of the account.
Yeah.
For both of them, so.
Okay, so the first thing is a pop socket, and I've been wanting a red phone case, so this would look hella cute on that.
Oh my god, yeah.
So, looks like this. Got the little JEFFREE logo on it, you know. Gotta support the fellow person. I don't know. Okay, should I start with the pink stuff or this stuff? Okay, so there's 4 makeup products, and there's 1 not makeup product. So there's 5 makeup products, sorry. So there are 6 items. Okay, I want to start with the bullet lipstick because I like lipsticks. So this is the lip ammunition. It looks like a bullet in Baby Spice. I've seen people unbox this. So you might want to get a makeup wipe out.
Sorry.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's like a little bullet.
It is really cute. I love JEFFREE.
JEFFREE is like super thoughtful. Okay, so
he also doesn't give one crap what people think.
oh no, that's pretty. I thought it was gonna be too bright. That's pretty.
That is really pretty.
I'm gonna go over it with like a super nude liner or something. That would be really cute. So that is Baby Spice lip ammo. I think these are 18 a piece usually or something like that. And then I know the liquid lipsticks are 18 a piece. Okay, the next thing I have is purple liquid lipstick. This is in I'm Royalty, and it's from, I think, just his normal collection. So we're gonna, oh my god, that's That's purple.
Oh my god, I love his packaging though.
But you could use this on the eyes.
Yeah.
Because they're like eyes.
Really, you could use it anywhere. If you really wanted to.
I mean, you might want to not use it in certain places. But
Jeffree, I love you.
but that's so pretty. Yeah. That's really pretty. I approve. Yes. Like, even though it's not something I wear on my lips.
Jeffree approved!
True. It's not something I wear on my lips, but I would wear on the eyes, like as a liner. Okay. Oof. Oh, I noticed that there aren't like extra lipsticks. So
there aren't what?
Like the extra lipsticks.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But I also heard on some videos that some people who did get them got sent in a different package. So that also could be a possibility. I don't know. It's kind of like all over the place. There's a lot of different things going on.
Did you look inside the yellow like stuff? Did you at least crumble it up?
Did you?
No.
No. There's this. This is a flamethrower.
Came in, and I thought it was just one package. I was like, Mom, like I was about to cry because I called her.
Yeah, she called me. We were kind of freaking out together.
Yeah, I was like, oh no.
Oh, this is a pretty orange. It's like sis. She's bright as a diamond. Like her highlight.
Credits to her because it's
I look
her
so
highlight.
pale compared to you. Like,
I forgot mine. Really, because I feel really white right now, like this season.
I'm always white.
I didn't tan that much this summer. That looks like it's
what?
from his new one.
Okay. Oh my god.
Is it?
I'm so excited. This is different. This is so different. Okay, so a bunch of the people who I've seen unbox this got a lip liner. I got a liquid lipstick. And can't
really hope I don't get a lip liner because I don't use lip liners at all.
We can always switch something though if we want to.
True.
Or even if it's some like a different, if you go through my collection and find something that you want, like a highlighter even.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I told you. Oh my god! I really hope I get something from
That's so pretty. I literally have this in my Beauty Bay like box, like Beauty Bay.
Just open it.
Wait. Oh,
it's a nude, and you love nudes.
Wait, is it gloss or is it liquid lipstick? Liquid lipstick. I think someone just called my house. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I'm putting this lipstick. What? Oh, okay.
It's my new saying.
That's so nut. Yeah, pretty much.
Nut.
But that's the thing I'm most excited about for sure so far. This video is gonna be like 10 minutes long. Okay. Mint condition. Ooh, sis. Okay, so this is a skin frost. This is huge. This is huge.
Yeah, those are always huge.
I want one of the like Supreme Frost really bad.
Like the liquid ones?
No, like he has like
the new ones that you can throw.
Then, yeah, these
break.
and then the Supreme Frost.
Okay, yeah, I like those.
Okay, that could actually be really pretty though on the face.
Yes, it would.
You don't know. Okay, I don't want to blind y'all, but that's pretty. That's pretty. I would wear it.
Hey, swatch it. I'm like, let's go. Stop talking.
It's a little bit chunky feeling. Like, it's not super buttery. Okay, that's wearable.
So pretty.
That's
and you can always wear it on the eyes, like if you even don't like it on your face.
You can even wear it with like a white or pink on top to even it out.
True.
So, okay, that's everything I got. So, how do y'all feel about it? If you guys got this, which I doubt any of you guys did, but if you're new and you got this, tell us what you guys got, because I want to know if the theory about everyone getting the same thing is real or not, because I don't think it is.
No, because you got something
a
from
liquid
his new
lipstick,
collection
too. And I've seen everyone get lip liners. So, let us know. But if you guys enjoyed this video, thumbs it up. Go check out her channel. I'm not sure what it's going to be called yet because she's like still in the midst of like creating it and stuff like that, and we're going to do a little editing
I have
session.
4 subscribers.
Well, I will go subscribe to her if I'm not already. I'm not even sure because literally she just made it. So, but yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face and her beautiful face. We love you guys so much, and I will see you babies next time. Bye, guys.
Sí, sí, sí.